Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to connect your device to the charger first, and when it's connected, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume down for a few seconds like this. After this kind of menu appears, you can disconnect the charger. Here in this menu you have to use volume keys to navigate to the option recovery mode and then select it with power key. After you see the Android robot image and the no command message under it, hold down power key and press volume up once, and that's how you enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode, using volume keys you can navigate, and using power key you can select options. You have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, and run local test, and also power off. So if you want to exit this mode, just select power off to turn off your device, or select reboot system now to restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.